Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a little update for those that are asking the question of builds for dev channel, beta channel, and so on for this week. Of course, we're talking about Windows Insiders here. So many of you are used to have the weekly dev channel build, which usually is on a Wednesday. This week, we have no dev channel build. For a simple reason. It's Thanksgiving in the United States, so most of the people at Microsoft are already or were already kind of off, so there's usually nothing much happening during the week of Thanksgiving. So the build 22,504 is pretty much what we have right now in terms of build for Windows. And of course, that also means all the other channels, beta, release preview, and so on, are going to be very quiet. So 22.504 is what's in the dev channel. The beta channel, of course, is testing the release of Windows 11 with some of the updates for bug fixes and stuff like that. Release preview is testing either bug fixes for Windows 11, or you are also getting some bug fixes for Windows 10. That's pretty much what happens. But very quiet this week. No new builds, so we're still on 22.504. Personally, I've had no issues on 22.504. It's been a very quiet build for me with no real problems of any kind. It seems to be quite stable. To answer a few questions, because a lot of people are unaware exactly of what they do when they get into the Insider program. And one of the biggest problems is people will get here and not really know that they're either insiders or not really understand the build numbers. One of the main things that I've seen with the build numbers is the fact that when I talk about build 22,000 on Windows 11, a lot of you out there come back to me and say, no, the latest build is 22.504. And that's where you got to make a difference. The 22,000 dot something is the regular build that everybody in Windows 11, a standard user, gets. If you're at 22.504, you don't have the latest build. What you have is an insider build. You are testing on dev channel builds for the future of Windows. So it's a different thing. You are an insider, and that is very different. A lot of people, once again, asking me, how do I get out of 22.504 or dev channel? I can't get out. I tried to switch. It's like, you won't be able to do that within your system. If you are on a dev channel build, do not go and try to change your ring here. It doesn't work. It's not like that. Dev channel, the only thing you could do to remove yourself from here is to completely reinstall Windows. You cannot change rings. It is a separate channel that requires a complete reinstall of Windows if you want to get out. So that's why nothing works when you try to get out, because you just can't. Dev channel is unfortunately kind of locked. So either you continue and follow, or you simply reinstall Windows using downloading Windows 11 or Windows 10 on the Windows website and reinstalling from scratch completely on Windows. It's the only way to do so. So, quiet week for insiders, nothing much happening, and of course we'll probably be back with some new dev channel build next week. It's not a bad idea, to jump for a week. There's so little in there that they could even wait a month, and I don't think we would be that sad. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.